Okay, so this is the Salter spiralizer. I'll do an unboxing video of this. Inside the box, we have a little book. A few ideas. Tells you how to tells you about the blades, how to clean it, how to store it, caution, blades are sharp. So that's the blades. Here it is, there's the box. This cost me £15. Just unraveling and unwrapping. Oh. I'll stick it down to my work surface, like so. Oh. I'll just let you see there is actually blades. I'm guessing that's the big one. That's the smaller one. Oh. This is the straight blade. Making ribbons, I'd imagine. So I'm going to go with the big noodles. Let's go with the big noodles first. Clips in. Quite simple to clip in and out. I took these ones away. I'm going to try a courgette. Got the spikes. This little handle pops out to the side. Looks simple enough. Stick it down. Let's get a courgette stuck in. So here it is, a courgette. I need to trim the end off of it. So this one isn't 100% straight, but I'll go with the big. Yeah, I'll go with the big end. Nope. Not quite on perfectly straight, but I'll try it like that and see how we go. Oh, I'm starting to get spirals.